I will leave my bag and go. No, come on, stop, Joy.
This is my husband's house, and I have every right to bring whoever into my house.
Stupid girl.
Not even you, not your husband, or anybody can move me out of this house.
You are a wicked woman. If anything happens to him, I'll make sure you suffer all the rest of your life.
Go and warn your son.
You should leave my daughter alone. And go and tell your daughter to stay away from men in order not to impregnate her.
If he wants to stay here, let him stay here. Besides, I'm comfortable with the man being here also when I'm not around.
Don't you know that my husband is around?
Oh, please.
What is wrong with you?
Please, Gina. No matter what you do, I will never ever be alive and watch Richard take you away from me.
Have you gone bonkers? Something wrong with you? Richard, nothing is wrong with me. I am going to stab you to death if you dare try to resist.
Don't touch me. I don't love you. Leave me alone. I love my husband. Just go. Leave.
Talk to me, man. Have you been sleeping with my wife?
I want you to get out of my house. Leave me, my wife, and our lives forever.
And bounce.
I don't know where to go. I don't know how to make my husband forget the past and be happy again.
But Dad, why is Mom crying? She's been crying since yesterday.
Please, I'm begging you. Forgive me, please. I hate to see you like this. Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
You have no moral justification whatsoever to talk about fairness.
My husband has no interest in me anymore.
Allow me to refund you every dime you spent on marrying Gina.
Like the coward you are, finish it.
Shoot!
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.